Hello and welcome to this lovely property. Call or text us right now at 532-205-6760 for more info. Check out the view of the Sierra Buttes. Listen to the sounds of the mighty Yuba River from the back decks of this two-story house. Terrific in-town location yet away from commercial area. High-speed ATT-Uverse internet available. Main floor has 2 bedrooms, full bath, large kitchen with antique gas cooking stove and a huge great room with locally sourced rock fireplace. Lower floor has entrance from street level and has 2 bedrooms and living room/kitchen combination with another fireplace. Large deck is off this level. Property is very private and set back from the cul-de-sac. Several parking spots plus RV parking with hookup. Lower level has a good-sized container suitable for storage. Could be split into 2 units because lower level has separate entrance. Very quiet neighborhood with no through traffic. Excellent view of the Sierra Buttes. Comes with Gold Rush mining display complete with a Pelton wheel and an or cart and donkey. Very cool vibe. Ready for your updates.